Flood watch in effect through midnight. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York, including the following areas: in southern Connecticut, southern Fairfield; in northeast New Jersey, eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Union and Hudson; in southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Brooklyn, New York, Manhattan, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northern Westchester, Richmond, Staten Island, Rockland, southern Nassau, southern Queens, and southern Westchester. When? Through midnight. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage at urban areas. Low-water crossings may be flooded. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Additional details: rainfall totals of 2 to 3 inches possible across the watch area through midnight, with locally higher amounts, possibly nearing 4 inches at a few locations. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.